Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. In this video, we are going to provide an answer to this simple logarithm question involving a square root. If you are new, consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, share and comment after watching. Alright, you can pause the video and try to see if you can provide an answer to this question. We have to solve for x in this. You can see this is log x under the root, that is the square root of x. This is the square root of log x. If imagine this is just log x squared, meaning it is not the x that is squared, but the whole expression that is squared. So in this case, I can easily change the square root here to become exponent power, meaning I can have log x exponent what? Half. Alright, then this will also equal to, if I like, I can still say that this log x all to the power what? Half. Changing the square root to become exponent of half, changing this to become exponent of half. The difference between this and this is that it is the x alone that is having the power. In this case, the log is having this exponent and the x also have that exponent. So you can see that per the third law, this is the argument which is having an exponent. So this argument, the exponent of the argument needs to multiply. So this is going to be 1 over 2 log x, as in sending the exponent to become the coefficient of the log. That will be equals to log x exponent what? Half. I think you are considering the half to come in front. It can happen because the exponent is not an exponent of the argument, but the exponent of both the log and the argument. So this is a different exponent. It cannot come in front. So I can only try to eliminate it so that I can lose the x. The x should be free so that I can easily take it out. So I am going to cancel half by the reciprocal of half, which is what? 2. Meaning if I square both sides, this square root, which is the half, will cancel. So I'm going to have 1 over 2 log x squared. We are asked to square both sides. So that equals to having log x exponent half, which is already there, times what? 2 by the squaring. If you square, this will cancel. Then don't forget, this is also going to distribute on this to give you 1 over 4 log x square equals to this cancel. So I'll be having what? Log x. This clear this. So I'm left with this. This is having 1 square, 1, 2 square, 2. Then the log will still have this bracket. Alright. We can see that we have succeeded in cancelling the square or the half from here, losing the x. Then we now send this x and the log also under square. It is moving away from here. Now it is coming here. Now, what do I do? We can see that this is one of the log x. This is 2 of them. This is 2 of them. So the square here simply means there are 2. The half, we cannot be able to factorize or simplify when the power is half. Or better still, this is still under the root. So we cannot factorize. That's how come we eliminate that. But in this place, we can see that this is showing that if I have x all square, that means x times x. So this also means log x times what? Log x. Meaning there are 2 of them here. Alright. But I'm seeing a fraction. So the better way to eliminate fraction is what? Multiply through by the LCM. So if I multiply through, I will be having log x all square equals to 4 log what? X. I believe we are seeing the the multiplication. This times 4 times 4. We have this, we have this. So now I'll move this to the left, and that will give me log x all squared minus 4 log x equals what? 0. After we move this to the left, we are left with only what? 0. So you can see that we can easily factorize log x, log x. There are two of them here, there is one here. So that will give me log x as a common factor, multiplying another log x minus what? 4 equals to 0. Do you see that? That this is 2 of the log x. So if I factorize one out, if I multiply, that will be squared. But there's a 4 as a coefficient to give me that. We also know that the zero identity, if two numbers are multiplying, it means either the first is 0 or the second is 0. So this means our log x is either equals to 0 or our log x minus 4 equals what? 0. So this, we know that anytime a logarithm is written without the base, it is in base 10. So this is going to be 10 exponent 0 equals what? X. So from here, you have 10 exponent 0 equals what? X. And this will mean x equals what? 1. Or better still here, log x equals to 4. Negative 4, cross it to become what? Positive. So this is also 10. Therefore, 10 exponent 4 equals what? X. So this is going to be 10 exponent 4, meaning the zeros are 4. So we are going to have this for x, or we have x to be 1. So therefore, x equals to 1 or what? 10,000. So this is the value of x that make or satisfy this equation. Alright, I believe you have gotten your understanding. If you do, give a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.